Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Tech Talk. This is where in 5 minutes, I, Joe Cusick, will take you through, here from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock, a headline, and then some stocks, and make some sense of it. Specifically, what I want to do in 5 minutes, a little less than 5 minutes. Thanks, Josh, my good friend, who sent me some great feedback on this segment. We're going to take a look at oil and gas drillers today, and we want to cover them in less than 5 minutes, give you some context on potential price movement going into January on this hot space, as well as some context on where you could see support or resistance. Now, with the move that we've seen in oil and gas, there's a lot more going on than just the headline we saw this morning, where we saw all of these stocks pretty much up double digits. They've been on the move basically since the end of October, beginning of November. That was pre-election. Now they're getting to levels that are moving almost as quick or quicker than the general market. So let's jump in and take a look at four of the most prominent names. We want to look at Ensco Company, Noble Energy, Atwood Oceanics, and Diamond Offshore. We're going to start with Ensco. Ticker symbol ESV, stocks trading at $10.91. It's very liquid. I only look at stocks that have 1 million plus shares on daily average volume. Stock's up 52 cents. The January options give me some perspective on what they're pricing in for potential movement for the next 44 days for the stock. Yes, for the stock. So the options right now in January are pricing in the potential for the stock to be potentially up $1.89 or down $1.89. That means that right now you could see the stock at almost $13, or it could be as low as $9 by January expiration. That's the range that they're playing with right now. The 20-day moving average is my trend moving average. That's the one where if the trend is, if I'm going to see some prominence in the trend, that's the one I'm going to look at, and that's coming in at $9.80 with the stock at $10.91. It's clearly above that 20-day moving average. The upside is critical. I'd like to see a little more volume here, and as we get closer to the policies that could potentially be put into place, this could benefit this oil and gas driller. Taking a look at Noble, ticker symbol NE, stocks trading at $7.59. It's up 13% today. The January options are pricing in between now and January expiration, the next 44 days, folks, that this stock could be either up $1.60 or down $1.60. So that means that it could be either at $9.10 or it could be down at right around $6. The 20-day moving average is coming in at $5.98, so it's trending to the upside, folks. You have definitely some momentum, and it's momentum that's been building over the last couple weeks. And now we look at Atwood. ATW, this oil and gas driller is up 13% today, trading at $13.57. Very impressive move, and it's had a very impressive move for the last 2 weeks. Now, the options in January for the next 44 days are pricing in that the stock could be either up $2.77 or down $2.77. And the 20-day moving average is coming in at $9.35. You could look at that short-term trend support then at $9.35, and the stock's trading at $13.57. They're not pricing in a pullback to touch that, but we'll watch this very closely. Finally, Diamond Offshores, ticker symbol DO. Stock is up 7.8% at $20.88. The January options that are expiring in 44 days, folks, pricing in the potential for this stock to move either up $3.35 or down $3.35. What does that mean for you? These four stocks have the potential to move anywhere between 15 and 20% between now and the next 44 days, which would be the third week in January. By the way, Diamond Offshore, the 20-day moving average comes in at $17.76. So again, the stock is trading above that trend moving average as I look at it. Folks, now you have some context, you have some trading ranges. You can look at selling some calls if you're already long these stocks against them to generate some income. Take a look at the volatilities. You could also, for those of you that aren't in these stocks, you could start selling out of the money puts. We can get in more into that. In the premium section, you're going to start to see where we're going to dive in deeper into these very topics, but I wanted to give you this perspective in Tech Talk here from MarketStream.live. All right, folks, we're going to be back online in about an hour at 4:30 Eastern Time for the closing bell. Join us then. Till then, Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care and have a great rest of the trading day.